Hey, Toyota Easily Facebook fans, this is Chaz again over here at the Pre-Owned Center. We're going to take a little bit of inventory walk because you folks are missing out. It's the end of the month. I have got a 2025 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Listen to this, only 2,000 miles. It is Toyota Gold certified. You've got 98,000 miles worth of coverage on the engine, transmission, drive axle, and 7 years of roadside assistance. Come get a deal. You need a Tacoma. I've got the new body style Tacoma. I've got an access cab that's a 4-cylinder that if you only yourself and you're hauling around your golf clubs or your duffel bag, you go to the gym, that's the one for you. I've got a Nissan Frontier 4-wheel drive. That's a new body style of a nice truck. Still got a lot of factory warranty. Another Tacoma, TRD Sport. Whenever you see the hood scoop, that's a Sport. Got a Chevrolet work truck. I've got more Tacomas. I'm gonna have Jay swing over here. If you're hunting a Land Cruiser, you're not going to find one on my new car side. I don't have availability there. It's in build phase. Here is a 2024 loaded with leather, only 20,000 miles. Again, Toyota Gold certified, 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Come and drive this TRD Sport. This is a 24 that only, it's going to surprise you because it's under $40,000. The new technology, great transmission. I love the alloy wheels and everything. Again, Tacoma. I've got a Highline GMC Sierra loaded. That truck new would be close to $80,000 and that's in the 40s. I'm gonna have Jay walk up. I've got Tundras. Lunar Rock, why that Lunar Rock's still here, I don't understand. I've got a TRD Pro. We only get probably 6 of those a year, brand new. Another Tundra 4x4. If you want to go ahead and save some money, I've got this late model Ram Bighorn 4x4 that's I think $38,950, so just a great price. I've got this ZR package, which is their off-road package on the Chevrolet. Local trade-in. Folks, if you're wanting a Sequoia, I don't have one available. Well, I do have one available, but it's $89,000 because it's a capstone. You're going to save tens of thousands of dollars on that. Again, Toyota certified. Look at this. 2023 Lexus LX 600. That's the big boy. If you looked at a new one, they'd be $125,000 plus. It's under $100,000. Tons of factory warranty left. I always had people, what about the older Land Cruiser? Well, this isn't a Land Cruiser. Lexus stole from us. This is a 2021 Lexus 570, so V8, full-time 4-wheel drive. Got a lot of warranty left on it. You better come and get it if you want something to drive a lifetime. That's the one that'll last a lifetime. Do you like the reliability of the Toyota 4Runner? It's been phenomenal. All these are the 4-liter V6. This is my Lexus model that's kind of like a 4Runner pumped up on steroids. This is a V8 4.6 V8 full-time 4-wheel drive. It just, you can see it kind of looks like a 4Runner, but it's just our Lexus version of it. I'm going to walk up here. I don't know why this car is still here. This is a 2024 TRD off-road that only has 18,000 miles. And it's got everything. You don't normally see the sunroof on the TRD off-road, but that one's got it. Again, gold certified, 100,000 mile warranty. 3 more 4Runners. You're not going to be able to find a Highlander anymore because next year Toyota's going to make it a fully electrified vehicle. But look at this. I have a Platinum hybrid right here. You're hard to find. I've got a Limited that's blacked out. Limited gives you all the ventilated seats, everything. I've got a Platinum and a Grand Highlander, which is taking over the sales. Probably 75% of our Highlander sales are the Grand Highlander. That is the Platinum all-wheel drive. Here's a beautiful XSE, which is the Sporty Edition. So I've got them. I've got the pearl whites that the people want. Okay, folks, RAV4. I've got a ton of RAV4s. I'm going to tell you why. Because over #1 selling car since 2017. And here's a little fact. Last year, they sold 479,288 units. 479,000 people haven't been wrong. #1 selling car since 2017. Sits on the Camry chassis. And what I like to remind people, that is the last car that has actual 8-speed automatic geared transmission. Everything else is CVT. Have another late model platinum in the moon dust. I love that color. You're not going to see that everywhere. It is a great car. Platinum just gives you everything that's possible on the car. Let's walk up this way, Jay. It's vacation weather. I've got a beautiful Pacifica here. This is a local trade-in. Only has about 50,000 miles. It's loaded, power doors, sunroof, everything. I think the miles are only in the 50s, under $30,000. That is a deal on a minivan. Again, all these vehicles have been serviced and checked out in our service department. Everyone says, I need a full-size SUV. I've got a Tahoe 2021 High Country, half the price of a new one. Look at it, it's beautiful. Again, Sienna van, gold certified, 70 or 100,000 mile warranty. I have another Land Cruiser, my two popular colors that I have, the blue. That is a 24 with low miles, again, Toyota Gold certified. You want something a little different? I've got a 25 Bronco with only 5,000 miles. Here's a car you're missing out on too. Here's a 2024 RX 350, the right color inside, only 12,000 miles. It's phenomenal. If you'd come and drive it, I guarantee you'd buy it. I've got a late model, new body style, TRD off-road, four-wheel drive. Again, I don't understand Jeeps where you can save a ton of money. It's a trade-in, it's a Jeep Rubicon, and you'll see, you got to come and drive it and then see the phenomenal savings over a new one. You need a person hauler, I've got the Suburban right here. It's going to give you all the room that you need after that third row seat. Midsize, Honda Pilot, their best-selling midsize for them. That's a 22 that only has 25,000 miles. Come on, folks, you're missing out. If you want entry-level Honda, I have two of the Honda HRVs. Those are great cars. We're doing good with Subarus. Got a pretty orange Subaru there. Again, RAV4 is really good. You want to save some money? Here's a 19 Toyota RAV4 Limited. We bought it off the customer, a little bit over 100,000 miles, but I think that car's in the mid $20,000 price range. That's a deal. Car lasts you a long time. We're going to stop at this Corolla because this is the only Corolla I have available today. What's so different about the Corolla? Since this car has been built in 1966, over 50 million Corollas have been sold. They currently are selling about 1 million globally every year, so there's one sold every 15 to 27 seconds. Must be doing something right. The number one selling car forever, Prius. Been out there a long time, great fuel economy. Here's one I don't understand why it's here. People, you want a V6, this is going to be the last V6 you could ever find. This is a 2024 V6 loaded XSE, got all the options, the panoramic roof, got the sport wheels and everything. There's a great opportunity. If you want a domestic, we just traded for this Chevrolet. This is a 24 Malibu with only 25,000 miles. Look at the condition of it. Trust me, when someone takes care of the car, the cosmetics, they've taken care of the car. There is a great opportunity. I love that color. More Highlanders, more RAV4s. Why do I have so many RAV4s? Because they are great sellers. I don't know why this car's still here. This is a 2022 Ford Mustang that I traded. It was lady driven, $24,950. You'd be shocked if you went and saw what the price of those cars are new. There is a great buy, only about 60,000 miles on it. You need to come and get it if you got someone who wants a sporty ride. Another HRV that I have, I've got an Acura RDX here. That's a third row loaded. That's Acura's the Highliner Honda, great car. I've got Nissan Altimas. I've got RAV4s. I'm going to have Jay walk up this way real quick. I can't tell you. I don't know why this car is still here. I've got a mid-size, full-size GMC Acadia. That's a third row. It's loaded. It's under $17,000. It's about 60-some thousand miles on it. You could buy that car, save tons of money over a new one, and it's going to give you great service. It's going to give you all the room that you need. So I just want to go ahead and invite you out. It's the end of the month. I promise you, if we have a car you like, we're going to tailor the deal to work for you. We're not going to miss any business. We're going to give you more for your trade than anywhere else. Come and see us. Ask for Chaz. Ask for Big Tex. Ask for Richard. Ask for Carl. Ask for Scott. And ask for George. Appreciate your time.